Friends, hello! In this video, I will tell you about a very effective and time-tested method to get rid of slugs and snails in your garden, dear friends. Look, just a few weeks ago, there were small slugs in my greenhouse, and this is how they ate the leaves on the peppers, but I was lucky that they hadn't started eating the peppers yet. I quickly used this remedy, sprinkled it under the peppers, and all the slugs died. And now, as you can see, the old leaves still have holes, but the new young leaves are without holes, which means there are no more slugs in my greenhouse. And if you don't fight the slugs, they will not only consume the leaves and other plants, but also gnaw small thin holes in your peppers. At first, the pepper fruits will continue to grow, but then they will start to rot and fall off. Plus, there will be an unpleasant smell in the greenhouse. And I use the following remedies that I often use. First, it's ground hot red pepper. It is sold in any grocery store or supermarket and is very cheap and affordable. I also frequently use powdered mustard. Here's exactly how I use it. Around the plants where slugs or snails have been spotted, you need to carefully sprinkle a very thin layer of ground hot red pepper around the base, making a continuous circle around the stem, and also sprinkle mustard powder. When evening comes, the slugs emerge from their hiding places. They are very hungry and they go to eat our plants. And to get to the tasty leaves growing on the plant, they will definitely have to cross this circle of hot pepper and mustard. As you know, slugs are definitely covered with a slimy coating. They will crawl over this mixture, it will stick to them, and first, it will start dehydrating them. Second, it will cause burns that are incompatible with life. The advantage of these remedies is that they are indeed completely organic, do not harm the environment, do not affect the taste or beneficial properties of the plants, and are very inexpensive. But there is one drawback. However, after rain or watering, this mixture needs to be reapplied. But I would recommend doing the following. Water your plants in the evening, let the water absorb, sprinkle this mixture under the plants, and next time, water not the next day, but the day after. This time will be enough to destroy all the slugs. But for prevention, after the next watering, sprinkle it under the plants again. However, if you have a drip irrigation system like I do, this problem goes away, because the drops fall precisely in one spot and do not wash away the pepper and mustard. This helped me. As you can see, this is a proven method, and I also recommend it to you. Be sure to like this video so you don't lose it. Also, watch my next videos, which contain a lot of useful information. I wish you a big, clean, and tasty harvest. See you in the next video.